Art and Design. How to use Markup. To start with, open up your photos and select the photo that you would like to edit. To begin, you will see the Edit button in the top right hand corner. This section is just like using something like Instagram. You can edit your photos and add different filters. On the right hand side, you will see that I am trying out all the different options. There's things such as shadow and contrast. There are lots of different options, so before you begin your task, why not try each one out and see what they do? On the left, you will also see that there's a filter section just like Instagram, and there's also a crop tool so you can make your picture bigger or smaller. If you're finished editing, you can simply press Done. If you wish to continue editing, go back into Edit and press the three little dots at the top. This will give you an option for Markup. Using this gives you the option to be able to draw onto pictures or onto documents. This is the standard pen tool. This slider changes the opacity and the pen size is here from small to large. You can change the colour using the little panel at the bottom. Here's an example. There is an eraser tool or a back button, which simply undoes what you've just done. As well as the pen tool, there's a marker tool, which just gives you a slightly different brush. This is your crayon tool. You'll see when you use it that it has a little bit of texture. There is also a highlighter tool. This allows you to highlight a certain area of the document that you wish to draw in. As well as the highlighter tool, there is the ruler tool if you wish to draw some straight lines or measure something. At the bottom, as well as some basic colours, there is also the colour chart. This gives you a much greater option when it comes to picking colours. When you've completed your drawing, you can simply press Done twice. This will take you back to the main page where you can send your photo or you can save it for later. Don't forget, you can use this for any of your subjects. Always ask for help if you need it.